Hello friends! Today we're going to draw a princess mermaid. First, we're gonna fast forward so that you can see how we roughly drew her. We will start our step-by-step tutorial momentarily. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Let's start with drawing her beautiful eyes. Have you ever seen a mermaid before?
Mermaids are mythical creatures that have been a part of folklore and legends for centuries. While there's no scientific evidence supporting their existence, they continue to capture people's imaginations through stories, art, and culture.
When drawing her pupils, remember to leave some white space as the reflections. This way you can make her eyes look more lively. Next, let's add some eyelashes. Now we're going to draw a big smile on her face. Or maybe she's singing.
Mermaids are often described as having mesmerizing voices that are incredibly alluring to those who hear them. In mythology and folklore, their songs are said to be so captivating that sailors are drawn towards them, often leading to perilous encounters.
Okay, let's continue drawing her body. To draw her beautiful tail, let's first add a big curve. The other curve looks like a number 2.
In folklore, mermaids are often depicted as having beautifully colored tails, ranging from shimmering scales to vibrant hues, adding to their mythical charm.
Next, let's move on to her arms and hands. Alright, now let's add a few more details to the tail. Let's move on to her hair. Let's add a few more details to the tail. Let's add eyebrows. And a lovely crown. And a pair of earrings. Okay, finally, let's add a few more details before we color her in. We've done outlining our mermaid.
Now let's color her in.
We also have other videos showing Ruby, Super Mario, Toad, and more. Remember to subscribe to our channels so that you don't miss out any new videos.
We've done drawing our mermaid. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us. See you next time. Bye!